Hi, my name is Richard, and I am a math and science tutor slash learning counselor. It could be really hard to manage setbacks, but really the work that I try to do is to normalize failure as part of the journey, realize that those moments are learning moments. Those are opportunities to really take a step back and look and see what got me here and what can I change to go forward. If we are at the bottom, then the only direction really is up. As soon as we can figure out what got us to bottom or what's preventing us from moving, it's just taking one step after the other. Maybe take a good, honest look at your performance on previous assessments or tests. Take a good, honest look at your performance relative to your previous performance. I don't suggest students try to start comparing themselves to a class or a class average, but as long as you are making steps in the right direction, then eventually you'll get to where you want to be. That's the other balance to this calculus is how do we impart the importance of the things that we're learning, but not to the point where students are getting anxious. We all have a strong desire to perform, but a lot of times holding on or attaching ourselves too tightly to those desires or those goals sometimes creates a certain level of anxiety that can actually prevent us from being productive. You often hear students admitting some level of shame around, oh, I needed help. I'm not smart enough. And for any student who feels that way, I'd really try to suggest or a reframing of our mindsets. These education spaces at their best are meant to be places where we grow. And so in normalizing the growth process and understanding that you're not here to know things already, you're here to put your best foot forward. Tutoring is just one more tool, one more step in the process. I think any tutor worth their salt, any good tutor is probably working towards empowering you with that ability to do problems on your own. If you're really trying to get the most out of your tutoring session, then you're probably looking to build those skills so that you don't have to keep coming back and getting the step-by-step instructions on how to tackle a math problem. At its best, tutoring is just a step along the road for you to grab some skills and some know-how about yourself and then go out and practice.